Prepare Gilampasa with Senushi. What you will need: fruits of your choice, water, knife and chopping board, blender, strainer, salt, sugar, and bottles. Do not add. Gilampasa should not be prepared using milk and ice cream as it is impermissible. 1. Wash fruits of your choice. 2. Chop and slice fruit on a clean chopping board. Remove seeds if any. 3. Add fruit bits and water to a blender. Add sugar or salt if required. 4. Blend away. 5. Strain juice using a fine mesh strainer. 6. Pour strained juice into an empty bottle. 7. Now you can pour these 10 types of Gilampasa while recalling the Supreme Buddha's qualities. Namo Buddhaya. Teruan Saranay.